English Learning Network.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English the Fun Way. Today, we're diving into a super interesting topic, the simple past versus the simple present. Are you ready to become a grammar champion? Let's go. I go to the park every day. I went to the park yesterday. She eats an apple for breakfast. She ate an apple for breakfast. They played soccer in the afternoon. They play soccer in the afternoon. He reads a book every night. He read a book last night. We watch a movie on Saturdays. We watched a movie on Saturday. The cat sleeps on the couch. The cat slept on the couch. I walk to school every morning. I walked to school this morning. He writes letters to his friends. He wrote a letter to his friend. They dance at parties. They danced at the party. She studies for her tests regularly. She studied for her test last week. I clean my room every weekend. I cleaned my room yesterday. He buys a new phone every year. He bought a new phone last month. We visit the zoo sometimes. We visited the zoo last weekend. She calls her mother every day. She called her mother an hour ago. The baby cries often at night. The baby cried all night. They travel to Paris every summer. They traveled to Paris last year. I cooked dinner for my family. I cooked dinner for my family. He opens the window in the morning. He opened the window. She helps her brother with his homework. She helped her brother with his homework. We celebrate her birthday every year. We celebrated her birthday yesterday. I ride my bicycle every morning. I rode my bicycle yesterday morning. She sings beautifully in the choir. She sang a lovely song at the party. They build sandcastles on the beach. They built a huge sandcastle last summer. We visit our grandparents on weekends. We visited our grandparents last weekend.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.